I make a little breakfast pickup, you know. Really and truly, I could have walked, but the sun's up here. Yeah. Now go do that sun thing there. Thank you. And just like that, we in and out. I hate when doors not really define like why if you use in a bowl say always a push or a pull. Even so, I forget up all the time. Still don't know if a push or a pull if you use. But when the door not really have on it like that. That door they have in, but it in a white. And the dip on the door frame are white. So if you not look good, then you not gonna see it. Hey, no hard in, brother. I not hard the money, you know. Here, come back at me yard now.
Waiting for Perry.
You waiting for shit. I've got a new style where them call it
30 grand.
Where me said this style name again now?
30 grand.
Alright people, some of days I get ready to go over the Gattfest. As I tell you from weeks, I'm going to put a little panel to talk about the whole social media thing and how you can make money from it and any other little thing that arises in the discussion. First time being on a panel, so I don't really know how them things work. Usually just see it on YouTube or TV. People just, they probably ask questions and then you talk from there. I am not really much of a big talker, so if the questions are asked, I will answer. But in terms of just me just blabbing away,
I'm gonna see that happen.
I'm gonna try and vlog it. I'm gonna vlog all night. Cause that I'm gonna just be battery I'm gonna get knocked. I carry the extra battery then and then carry extra memory card, but I'm not plan for vlog the whole entire thing. It's gonna go on I think the whole day. But when I do I go on from 11:30 until 12:45 approximately. Fats color go there, Baba J, and then there's this girl Shandy. I'm gonna reach the show I go on. Hopefully we can get baby, you have a video for me?
Oh my god.
Blink plow. Yo! Hey, I'm telling you a little secret. The AC loud. Baby. Reach the amphitheater. The people on before we up the side of them make things still. That we next and go do a little talking. I'm gonna try and get as much of the footage as possible. So that we can see what I go on for all the people them who never get forward. See? Alright, some of the things are under this, so we're going to and under this, so we're going inside of the assembly hall because out here, so come like Satan there out here, stand up.
The place has Steve, real?
So we're going to go do for like a piece here, the one, do the chatting. I'm not done. I said, baby, you learn a lot. No? She don't want to talk to nobody. No cameras, please, no cameras. We're about to begin our like a session, you know, just kind of talk about the whole social media thing. Basically, anything that arises regarding social media. Yo, Jude. Go ahead. You're having fun the thing, brother.
That's a major word. I don't see anything that's kind of people posting what you call it, garbage on the internet. They concentrate on things that won't the youths are, influence positivity. So that's the biggest age group in the culture.
Well, for me, I think many persons on the internet don't know what they really want to post. So they just go about and just post some things when they're really necessary. So like corporate person are really paid up the money. They can't really look on themselves as a dancehall artist, right? Not a dancehall artist. So they can't be too raw and the internet. So we just have to keep our content clean and hope somebody likes it one day. We're not dancehall artists, so we have to stay clean.
Exactly. So, would you say something good?
It goes back to, alright, with me, I've always felt good about just being free in terms of my creativity. So,
free to create just about anything. So when I was doing it, when I just came in, I was just glad to be able to create almost anything without worrying about if a brand is going to sign me, if somebody's going to take me on board. I can't agree with my colleagues right here about just keeping it clean. What you want to do, you want to start out first at a place where you are comfortable. So if it means you have to go raunchy, then do that, because in everything we do, there's a market for almost everything. So if you raunchy, you're not necessarily about to attract a brand such as Bigger, but guess what? You might attract a brand as Magnum or some other sponsor from that line. So it's all about just being free with what you are creating and know the audience that you are going for. And if people understand that, then I think it should work out for everybody. If you're just comfortable with what you are creating. If you know that you have children watching your page, for example, you do a video that drawing a lot of children, then you're going to have to stick along that line of creating that type of content. But if you want adults to watch what you're creating, if you are creating content for adults, then I wouldn't say you create content for adults and you draw in adults, so the adults that are there, they understand you, they know what you're doing, they know the level of comedy you have, they know that you can go here with it all the way to the top, and they will appreciate that. So the brands that will be interested in you, though it might be a smaller list, there's still an opportunity there for you. So what I would tell people to do is to just be free in your creativity. Yeah.
Great, love it. And social media is a place where we resort to for comfort, for relaxation, for some laughter. And as influencers, you produce and you provide that for people. So how do you think, or do you think rather that you are role models to either younger children or even young adults, old adults, persons who just want a sense of ease, a sense of laughter, a sense of happiness? Do you consider yourselves role models, and what do you want persons to take away from watching your videos? Anybody?
It goes back to what I just said. What I would want for people to take away from my videos is I would like them to be entertained first, and most of the time I would like them to be inspired. So, okay, Mr. Kevin too crazy to do that in a feed video. I wonder how you do it. I'm not gonna try it. For the people who don't want to try the traditional route, I would like to inspire them to kind of step outside of the box, seeing that, yo, Kevin did it this way, I can do it too. And for the parents who have children who like to try this road, I want them to use me as an example for their children. I use anybody up here as an example and say, all right, maybe I can give you some more push behind this, seeing that there is success for these individuals who are doing it. So you want the camera, or I'm gonna buy you a camera so that you can try it. Give them that little push, that little oomph to make them believe in themselves and want to pursue a career in what they're doing.
And also messages like how to grow our child. We use some of the examples that we got from our home. They look for the buckle or anything like that. We turn that into joke. We're sending a message across we're doing it in such a way that it has an extra talk. So we make them see what they're doing right away. And it's ridiculous. So we turn things like that into jokes, the chain, the set from our generation a long time ago. This is the way things should go. Things like that, messages, like if I did a plastic bag, I think we did one too. The plastic bag thing was, vanish, right? So I did do a video where I used my mother and she see a plastic bag in the house and she said, yo, police and that coming up and so. And kids see that now and she said, they can tell the parents, say, okay, mommy, plastic bag vanish, or things like that, messages can be sent through your videos. Don't have to be
to produce a video online? How do you write it, shoot it, edit it, produce it?
Okay, I don't really write. It just come natural. Okay, so, and I use my phone. I don't have a camera. So, guys, you can use your phone. You start from phone, then we elevate to the camera, laptop, and those things. Okay, so that's basically what I don't write. Well, I write sometimes, but majority of the time, it just comes natural. I just do what comes to my mind. Yes.
Mama Jane, how do you prepare to post a video?
Well, basically, I have got the idea first. And
so how do you get the idea? Is the idea inspired from something you see on the road, or something you see on social media as a young and you can post on this?
for me, like, idea comes natural. Like, I can leave the years around and just look on somebody and ask. And I'm like a reaction, I can do that. And then me just turn on the camera, turn on the phone, and we just do it for an hour, half an hour, just like. Until I find the groove, find myself doing what I saw in person. So, once I have the idea, you don't have to have a big top camera or a big top phone to shoot. As long as I know the idea we are going for, I want to put on. That's basically it.
So Dina, tell me, you have a different style of producing content online. You do a certain, you kind of jam up certain things, and you make them funny and you kind of extract up. So tell me, I just have a thing, don't get me wrong, because extra is always good. You get me? Exactly, and you're very expressive.
I'm a shouter.
You're a shouter.
And that's what everyone says. I'm a shouter, and I send across my message even more stronger because I'm a positive person, and all my videos are positive. You get me? And I use the shouting to make people feel my
you reach the core.
Yeah, because even yesterday I did a video that you have to respect yourself. You get me? Don't wait till you reach your goals before you're proud of yourself. Proud of yourself now. You get me? So you have to shout so people feel it more. And tune in more to it. That's how me send across my message. Sometimes you just have to be different. Your own way. You get me? That's how me be different.
So for the persons who probably don't really understand your level of comedy and your level of production, how you do internet shows and persons who, come in and DM and come under your page and comment and like a bag of foolishness for why not shows and all that. How do you do that? And this question is for everybody.
Oh, that's easy. I don't pay them no money.
You don't pay them no money?
Like a comment. You can't make comment that me don't make me feel down.
I'm not really familiar with any of you. However, I saw your video. What's your name? Bighead? Within an hour.
How much?
18,000 views, right? And you just put the video. I absolutely committed with Gattfest, and when I heard that you guys were coming up, I was so excited because I thought that I would see thousands of young people in the audience. I'm actually seeing some people that probably weren't even around the computers were out, like myself. Okay. Where are your followers from then? Where are because to get 18,000, I would expect us to see 1,000 at least young people here just to see you in person. Where is your fan base, Mercy?
Okay, so I think it's about promotion and interest. So if it's a case where, alright, 18,000 people viewing it, that can be across the world and in Jamaica. But they can be Jamaicans as well. Because Jamaica is not like an easy place to just get around for my families. Maybe they can be at work or at summer school or doing laundry or something, you know, it's hard to get people to just jump in and come out just like that. But if it's like a big thing that is like promoted like for a couple of months.
But this has been promoted, it's been promoted heavily, and you as social media bloggers would I expect to be promoting this event and you come to this event very heavily as well.
No, I heard of this like 3 weeks or something.
So that's nearly a month. That's nearly a month then. So I'm not putting you on the spot on all of you as well, right? But you are just expected, because if I had shared with you, if I was in my 20s, right, and I heard that these social media bloggers were coming, I would be flying here to see you guys in person.
It happened to some, as I said, you come out of some events and other people nothing. So I'm not sure because I was shocked just as you were. But as I said, it's depending on the time frame of those individuals.
And I'm wondering if logistically, if you look at your followers and your type of comedy, I think there's probably 2 people in the United States, because I know people in the UK love on social media bloggers. And maybe if you look at the geography of your listening viewers, you might find that there's a handful just in Jamaica.
Just to kind of dive in on what you said. With the whole social media thing, I think the more, what happened here is where people priority that. So you tell them to come out to a film festival, come see me, come talk to me, come ask me the questions you want to ask me, or we'll send it on the inbox from when we see. Them priority really there, so if you tell them, say, one party at one, far 1,000 people reach in a space of no time. So yeah, with each level, the support kind of go down. So you might look at the page and you see 150,000 followers. You put out a video, you have to fight against the algorithms that they have. So they only show it to maybe 1/3 of the person that are on the profile. Out of the 1/3 that see it, you get 500 comments. You have a website link where in the same video, you get, say you get 50,000 views, and you get 500 comments. You tell the people and say, okay, go check out my website, and in the same video, you get maybe a good 100, go check out the website. On the website, you're asking them to buy something, a good 10, 20. So with each level where you send them, the support kind of decrease. So with something like this now, we don't really see as a priority, as something where them have to go. Because they know, for example, my fans know that they're going to see it on my YouTube channel. Kevin Too Crazy. So they know they're going to see it on the vlog channel. So they're not going to be there. So alright, Kevin, I'm going to post that. Dino might snap it, Baba might snap it. They're going to look on the snap. They're going to hope say, whatever you say, you're going to do it live for the ones who can't make it. So with each level, they kind of go down, so you have to just, that's what we have to just understand. People priority in different places. One things that I would like to say, but let me just, one of the things that really comes to my mind right now is the opportunities that should be available to us. I would like for the bigger brands and all of the people that are inside of Jamaica pay attention to our social media stars, influencers, whatever you want to call them. Not make we have to go foreign, go bust before and start claiming with it. And start claiming from now. Start owning up to it, start pay attention to what we are doing, start giving the opportunities from now. If you notice in America, every single one of them, what we know, we used to do Vine or YouTube, whatever it is, every one of them that we know, they have some big companies behind them and push them and help them go through And if I don't think there's not one of them where we're really dropping our movie yet. Every one of them get opportunities to be in a movie. So I would like we're at a film festival. There are some producers around. Pay attention to us. You need actors for roles, even if I always tell my wife, I don't mind being in the background of a production. I don't mind being a little background actor, sit around on the table just a look, you know? I don't mind doing that. So even if you have a role as simple as that, try to include us in there. Because being in the background, you can learn something and you can take it and apply it to yourself when at times you get a big role. So I would just like for people to pay attention to us. No matter go far on the bus first. Then they say, oh, you're a long time ago. Pay attention to us from here. Give you support, give you energy from where they are right now. So.
Thank you so much, and that was well said. So, I think that concludes our panel discussion for today. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for joining us for this riveting discussion. And I speak on behalf of everyone up here. We thank Gattfest for the opportunity, for giving us the platform to showcase our products as influencers and persons within the communication sphere, and for us to get integrated and to get inclusive of everybody that can contribute to the production world. We thank our panelists again, Mr. Kevin Too Crazy, Baba J, Extra Comedy, Dina Crazy, and Fat Skull, and we do encourage you to enjoy the rest of today's activities. Thank you so much.
So we don't do what we are doing now. It was a nice little set. Get to share knowledge on what's going on. I'm hungry now. I'm like Baba J there.
Hungry at one.
Nakis.
Hungry at one, trust me.
And the man are there from about 9 o'clock.
Tell me this. No food, no but water. You know, it's like water and gas and great right now.
Baba have hold on, press a button this time, give focus. Yeah man, that one see press it. Yeah man, Baba have what is?
Yeah man, it's a play.
It's a bread tuku man.
No, no bread, we're not eating bread and butter. Bread tuku man.
Oh, bread tuku man.
Yeah.
Me I read it wrong way.
Yeah.
So bread tuku man, Phoenix Theaters, 8 Ealing Road. When come and support it in a New Kingston. So all the people are there in the town here.
Yeah man,
forward come support
it. 15 tickets, so I want to turn out fee. 15 minutes straight.
July 30.
Yeah man.
I will say it's a sort of comedy mixed with...
Yeah, comedy mixed with, you know, everything we go on in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch it. So watch it. So everybody want a ticket right now. You can link Kevin or you can DM me, you see me?
Yeah, I'm making them know.
You see me, so just forward or come get a laugh. You can't do home boring every day and you say so not, you want to laugh man.
I'm gonna show the Dina from Kuya. You can go out in bag of madness. I get some food, I'm hungry. Alright. Yo Dina. I take on myself in that. I'm too hungry and I'm you link up in the pie. Yo, yell up Valda for me, you see me dad? Say a long time she tuned into the thing, you see? She one of them who did not violate my mic. See? She did not violate my mic. But the mic good.
Like you know.
Okay. I see.
But I'm making it.
What you say with your mic?
Time, no?
I gotta film this. Tell him again. Send me 10 times for me. People. Look very closely. In case the thing say it's a painting. And a painting here. Actually paint.
What I do is use Photoshop to edit. And all I do is just bump up the colors because I paint my body already, so I didn't have to do much. I cannot paint, but I wanted that painting image, so I just came up with my own way of doing it. And it's like an African traditional thing. So these are other stuff. So I'm doing Afrofuturism. So that's my favorite. You should get it. Cheap enough. They may not call it Illuminati stuff, but it is not. It's an African thing. So I'm very African and things, so that's why I made these words. I go to Edna Manley, and I would like for Jamaican art space to become more cultural and inclusive to the young people. That's why I'm making works like these that are kind of attractive. I don't know if Kevin can talk or vote to me, but they're more attractive than we normally expect in the space. But yeah, using traditional and digital mediums. Yeah, so my Instagram, it's not a name, can't be pronounced, but it's actually my actual birth name, just spelled wrong. So SQSHA. I'm Sasha K. That's my Instagram name. That's it.
Art, all the art heads. If you like these pieces, SQSHA K on Instagram. Alright? Oh, you want in a vlog? She says you want in a vlog too.
Alright. So I'm Pluto. You can follow me on Instagram as Pluto. You can like and subscribe.
Tell him what? What we tell him?
She said she's interested in doing one of these.
Oh, I never load up the bread here. Come, I'll go and after this. Sorry, that shit. Out there. Skull there, he reach. You see me when he reach.
Yeah, if you stop here in Belly Road.
I do him always I do.
We are at business right now, so yeah, 1 minute.
People me run left my camera, one of my camera pouch, and it's like old school camera pouch for old school camera. I have. Run left with some important things in there, kinda. So I'm turn back and over it. I don't know, the baby drive fast and furious. And go for a wash in the parking lot. And she reverse in back way. It's a reverse back way, I idiot. You wanna go back, watch? Yeah, you're hungry.
I feel a weekend after me, I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, you don't want to share your weekend, though? No. I don't want to share my weekend. I take a look at one cheat meal. I don't want cheat day, I want cheat meal. Let's see if we can get like a KFC. So after that, we'll go home, though. Yeah. Come over. Yeah.